Spotify Music is one of the biggest places where you and I can go to search for music to listen to. Now, I want you to think about what would happen if you could get paid to listen to music online. Isn't that cool? And it doesn't matter if you are from India, the Philippines, the US, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any other country in the world. You can start making money today by just listening to Spotify Music. You can easily cash out your money $260. Right there, $460. Even big payments like this, over $900 US. And guess what? You can do this as many times as you want, and you don't need any followers or to refer anyone to this platform. And no, you don't need any money to get started. This is completely free. All you need is a computer or a cell phone. And in this video, I'll show you a few bonus numbers that will help you make twice as much money as other people. So make sure you stay and watch this video until the very end. Before we start the video, make sure you're subscribed to all of my YouTube channels and press the notification bell so you don't miss any new ones. Today, I'll show you how to use Spotify Music and listen to music on the Spotify platform, and you'll get paid. I'll show you how to set up your free Spotify account over the course of this whole video. You can do it on your phone or computer, and yes, it works everywhere. Once you set up your Spotify account, I'll show you this secret website where you can get paid to listen to music. I've never seen anyone in the history of YouTube talk about this site. No one has talked about this before, and I'll be the first one to do so. So make sure to listen carefully so they can learn everything. And right now, I just want to show you how much money you could make on this website by just listening to music. You can get up to $800 in pounds. Quickly, I'll show you what $800 in pounds looks like when converted to US dollars. By just listening to music, you can easily make more than $1,000 US dollars. Again, this will be a brand new website, which is very exciting. I'll show you everything in this video, including how you can use Spotify to get paid over and over again. Now that I know what the whole point of today's video is, I'm going to show you Spotify first. You can go to open.spotify.com or your app if you don't want to. Now, if you have an Android phone, you can go to Google Play Store and search for Spotify to listen to new music and podcasts. From there, the logo looks like this. Make sure you get the right app and rate over 20 million reviews before you download it. A lot of people right now really like this app. They listen to music on it every single day. But what's funny is that nobody knows about this secret website where people can get paid to listen to Spotify Music. But you get to know the secret because you are watching this video right now. Again, and if you have an iPhone, you can simply go to the App Store to download Spotify. Now, I want you to leave a comment below telling me what kind of device or phone you're using. Do you have an iPhone or an Android phone? Just leave a comment below and tell me. Now, if this is your first time using Spotify, you need to sign up for a free account when you go to your dashboard. This is free. Now, all you have to do is click on this link at the top and then this button that says sign up for free. So clicking there will bring you to this page where you can sign up for free to start listening. You can use your Facebook account to sign up, or you can just use your email address, confirm it, put in a password, and give a meaningful name. You can also use any username you want, along with your date of birth and gender, and click on I'm not a robot to create a free account. Now that you've set up your account, you can sign into your Spotify account and see your profile right here. And the first thing you'll notice is that there's a lot of music to listen to right here on Spotify, and it's all in different categories. For example, you can see the focus category or trending now, or your favorite playlist right here. You can also write about their most popular albums, new releases, and artists. There are so many different kinds of music to listen to in so many categories. Which one should you focus on to make the most money? So I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. Now, for example, if you want to listen to this music, you can just click on this picture and it will start playing. To start listening to music, click on this play button right here. But there is one thing I want to tell you. You can make a playlist. You can see that when I click on this button that says create playlist, I can make a new playlist, which will bring in a lot of passive income every single day. Now, in just a moment, I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to go back to Spotify in a minute. But right now, I want to show you a secret website where you can sign up to be a music curator and get paid just for listening to music. Keep watching. I'll tell you what this website is called in a moment. You can become a music curator, which is pretty much what you can do. You can start by listening to Spotify Music, and then you can put all of the songs you like into a playlist. Now, once you put all of the music into a playlist, which is very important, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment, you can submit them to this website. You can see here how to get paid regularly for what you post. You will get paid for every music playlist that you post on this website. They are more of the playlists you send in. The more submissions you make to this website, the more money you will make. So from there, I can figure out how many submissions I need to make money. On their website, they will give you a lot more information. Basically, if you submit less than 200 times, you won't get paid. Instead, you'll get $0, but once you've submitted at least 200 times, you can start making money on this site. Again, just like I said before, the more playlists playlists you send in and the more submissions you make, the more money you will make. So as you can see here, if you make the 2,500 highest paying submissions, you can earn £800 on this website, which is more than $1,000 in US dollars. And you can do this over and over again. This is a brand new website that is very fun and easy for beginners to use. All you have to do is listen to music to get started. So if you want to start making money on this website right now as a guest, just go to musicgateway.com. One very important thing is that there will be a tricky sign-up process. I'll show you how to fill out all the forms right here so that they can start making money. So make sure you stay and watch until the end so you don't miss this important part. From there, you can go to this page, just scroll down and look for any button that says Get in Touch. As you can see here, Get in Touch. Just click on this button and it will take you to this page, which is a curator, influencer, and playlist submission application. As you can see, this website is so professional that they will pay you on time and let you know when they do. Just keep going down. Are you a Spotify curator? As you can see, this video is going to be about Spotify. We'll show you how to listen to different kinds of music, how to put them into different playlists, and how to submit them. Again, you don't need any followers. You don't have to say anything about anyone or sell anything. All you have to do is listen to Spotify music, put it into different playlists, send them in, and get paid. Again, if you're interested, fill out the form below, and we'll get in touch with you soon. When you scroll down, you'll see the whole form you need to fill out, and in just a moment, I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is put your email address in the first box. Then put your full name in the second box and choose a Spotify playlist, YouTube channel, radio station, blog, or another source. In this case, we'll talk about Spotify. You can just start using Spotify now since that will be the easiest way to get started. So once more, when I scroll down, I see a link to a playlist, channel station, or blog. Now this is very important. I'll show you how to do it on Spotify in just a moment. I'll show you how to get your link from your playlist and put it right here in this box to apply for an account. So make sure you watch until the end, or you might get confused or miss the sign-up time. The next question is, on average, how many submissions do you get each week? Remember what I told you earlier. To start getting paid, you need to have at least 200 submissions. If you do less than 200, you won't get paid at all. When you answer these questions, it will depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. But make sure it's at least 200 to get paid. And if you want to make it your full-time job, I'd suggest you do about 1,000 submissions. Then you can do this one full-time and start making a lot of money on this website. From there, what kinds of music do you like? What different kinds of categories of music do you accept? For example, pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. From there, the more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website. I'll also show you how to quickly find different kinds and genres of music on Spotify. You can choose yes or no. It doesn't matter for this question if you follow Music Gateway on Instagram. And finally, if there is anything else you want to say or tell us, you can leave this question blank. Now you can join Music Gateway as a member or stay as a guest. Bring your first name, last name, and country instead. You can just pick whichever country you're from. They pretty much accept everyone. Now I want you to comment below and tell me what country you're from so I can make more videos for your area in the future. Once I've chosen your country, all you have to do is put in a username and password and click the submit button. So basically, that's all you need to do to get a free account and send your application. Once you've been accepted by this website, you can start listening to music, making different playlists, and getting paid. Now, very important, we're going to move on to a very important step. I want you to go back to the Spotify app on your phone or computer. From there, we'll find different songs, put them into different playlists, and submit them to make money. From there, I want you to check out the different categories of music that really interest you, such as pop music, gateway, and Safeway. So what I want you to do right now is go back to Spotify, click the search button, and search for pop as the keyword. Okay, pop music. Then we'll click the search button, which will bring up all the music that fits into the pop category. This is all the pop music, and I want you to click on See All to see it all. Look at this. You can find all the popular music by using the search function. Everything lay on this, and there are tens of thousands of different kinds of music. Now, I want you to make a new playlist. I want you to click on this button that says Create Playlist, and then you'll give your list a name, like Pop Genre. Just click this button here that says Create. Take a look, you have successfully made a new Spotify playlist. So what you're going to do right now is add different songs from this genre to your playlists. One of the coolest things about Spotify is that when you scroll down, it can suggest different songs based on the pop genre. Pop is the style of music that all of these songs belong to. So right now, I want you to click the Add button for all of the music suggestions right here. The recommendation is fine. I want you to put all of them on your playlist for that genre. Look at this, I'll just do everything right here, and there are already more than 10 musics. From there, click on your library, and then click on Pop Genre under Playlists right here. This is the playlist I just made, and it has over 22 sounds. As you can see, I can make a pop playlist in less than a minute. On this website, you can actually only submit one genre and one playlist. Take a look. You need more than 200 submissions before you can start getting paid, and it will take you a lot of time to listen to different kinds of music and put them in a playlist so you can send them in. So the next thing I want to show you is that you can actually grab a link from your playlist. So right here, when I click on these three little dots, as you can see here, click on this and you're gonna click on here, copy playlist link. When you click on this, the link to your playlist will be copied for you. That's all you have to do, and you can just keep doing the same thing over and over again. Look for and make a new playlist, then add music to it. You can get paid for every submission of their playlists on this website. So all you have to do is listen to music and keep getting paid. Well, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the following video.